All right, love, good morning.
Good morning.
We have hunted these fields before, way back, I don't know, can't remember, 3 years ago maybe. Anyway, I want to show you up here, like, it is storm devastation. Check these houses right here. Look how much wood is actually, it's all from their backyards. See it back there? See it all? Yeah. Look at all those yards back. Well, I don't know, but up here you'll see how high the water came because it wiped out 2 cottages. But yeah, I can't. It's one of these fields up here actually. I kind of remember turning and going up. That's that road. Look, as soon as there's the trees are over. We tried going up it yesterday. Farm out there. But up top here, there's some neat cottages up at the top here. You can see on the left side where like the foundation posts are, let's say, and all of the 2 cottages was on the side of the road. Plus you can see, there's the ocean. Plus you can see the super high water mark where it was. Kind of crazy actually. Where's it at? There's a big field there. Those trees are all angled over. It is a pretty house. We're coming up here too. Yeah, I can see it now. So where the white thing is on the left, if you look back, I'll slow down and stop. Actually, there's somebody right behind us. I'm gonna get over there, let them go past. We'll see the roof on the ground.
Oh my gosh.
There's geese.
I think I saw them following.
Yeah. Oh, I do see them. But if you look back up in there, you can see the concrete footers pilings. And look, it was all across the road. There it is. See, there's the little concrete things.
Yeah.
Well, I think this too, if you really look at the debris, like the high water mark was way over there. So this was wind and water, but you can see the footers are there, right? And Jeff said this is 2 cottages, right? It's crazy, isn't it? There's the footers there. I think they said you have pushing 200 kilometer winds. Crazy. And nobody died. How about that? But look, you can see like the high water mark, right? Like that's all like storm debris, right?
Yeah.
You really look at it, right?
Yeah.
All like the grass and stuff. Look at that set of steps over there, right? That all floated over. This is all like there's driftwood there.
Yeah. Wow.
Right?
Yeah, you can kind of see it up in the branches of the tree.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh my gosh.
This would have all been underwater. Well, look, back in there was a piece. See the wood?
Yes.
Is like, how did that get there? It floated over there.
Yeah.
Just like this piece of whatever, the boardwalk kind of thing.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, somehow they survived. See the wood there? Railings? I do see it, yeah. There's a big buoy. If you ever want a channel marker, there's your chance. The big red thing. Here, I'll let you have this. Well, look right there. That's all.
Yep.
Like, that's all. stuff that got washed over. And then when you go on up, there is, they've got the road closed because of the golf course. And they did have that machine where it grabs and cuts it at the same time.
Yeah.
But like, look at. We're breezy down today. All right. Is that enough?
Yep. So
Kinda crazy.
checking something out.
What do you think he sees?
I don't know.
Pretty crazy, actually. All right. Let's see what. I'm gonna put your window up because it's gonna blow through pretty strong. Pretty crazy.
So something I didn't even notice until now.
That's what Karen did. She's like, there's one going.
Well, it's here.
That's it right there.
Like, look at how far that fucking went.
Yep.
You know.
Yeah.
If she's filming, maybe you might edit that out.
Dude.
That is just nuts.
Yeah.
Well, that's what she said. She's the one's missing over there.
And then I think there's even another one missing because there's a deck sitting there by itself. It's too far away to
I
be
saw.
there.
Yep.
Yep.
So
It's crazy.
Over there.
It is. Okay.
I mean, we'll follow you. Let's pull up a little bit and we'll see. Let's see that one. What if you can see it through here? Thanks for following along. We just wanted to show you some more of our PEI trip. This is day 10 of 17. Thumbs up if you like our stop videos, thumbs down if you do not. And as always, thinking of you we are. Boom, boom. Let's go.